Hello everybody, Brian here. Today I'm going to be showing you kind of how to buy and set up a domain name with the hosting of your choice in a pretty simple way. So let's go ahead and get started. It shouldn't take very long. To start out with, I was trying to find a domain name that I would like. The category I kind of decided, the niche I wanted to go into was geocaching. I don't know if any of you guys have ever heard of that, but it's kind of like a scavenger hunt, outdoor adventure type thing. You go treasure finding. It's actually really fun. If you guys haven't ever tried it, there's an app. You just kind of GPS locate different boxes that people hide stuff in, and you take something, leave something, sign the paper saying you found it. It's a lot of fun, and actually quite a few people do it. But I picked this not only geocaching itself kind of seems like kind of a small niche. There's actually quite a bit that can go into it. GPS locators, that could be a whole post, a couple posts, different cool containers. I could do like videos of me finding them, maybe other people. And anyway, that's a niche that I chose. I did purchase geocachinglog.com from GoDaddy.com. I'm not going to walk you through that whole process because really all you got to do is register with GoDaddy, find the domain you want. I would suggest searching, just do a quick Google search of GoDaddy.com coupons. You'll find like 99-cent domains there. That's what I did, and I went ahead and purchased it. It is very straightforward and easy. But okay, I did go ahead and purchase it from GoDaddy.com. I ended up paying 99 cents for it. What you want to do is, these are all the domains that you have. It'll show up right here under My Domains. After you've registered for GoDaddy and purchased your domain, click on this little Tools button right here and go to Domain Details. This is how you're going to edit your domain name server, who your server is. If you look right here under the immediate settings, it shows Name Servers. This is where what you're gonna change to who's your domain name server is. But okay, let's go ahead and do that. Just click on the Manage button. It's gonna bring this up right here. Instead of Standard, this is for GoDaddy hosting. I'll talk about that here in a minute. I have a different hosting company, so I'm clicking Custom. Enter custom name servers, add name server, it doesn't matter. Both of them will work. But all you do right here is your host will have that right there. Let's go ahead. Here it is. This is your primary domain name server. You're going to need two of them. Each one always has two. Copy. Then I'm going to enter it. Then I am going back here. Copy the second one. And going back. Oops, wrong button. Gonna hit OK. Validating. There we go. That's all you do. Currently being processed. Generally this can take 30 minutes. It could take a few hours for them to for your host to go ahead and recognize that. Sometimes it's quicker. We'll see right here. Gonna go ahead and go to my site manager. Yep, see it's not up here yet. I'll go ahead and get back with you guys as soon as it's up. Okay, well it went ahead and I added it on there. I'm not going to be doing much more with that site for now because I'm working on a couple others. If you didn't notice, I have a few domains. This one was just bought for example, and in the future I'm going to be kind of walking through building a niche website, and so that's going to be the niche and the website that I choose to do the video walkthroughs with. Now let's go ahead and talk about, say, the GoDaddy hosting. Choosing web hosting is kind of tricky and very important. GoDaddy, they have OK Hosting and OK Site Builder. It's $1 a month, so it's an unbeatable price. No one really compares to that, but you get what you pay for. GoDaddy's downtime is great, but when you start building your site with them, you're going to kind of feel like you went back to the 90s. It's kind of out of date, old school style, but again, that's $1 a month. Then you could go to like HostGator or Bluehost, and you're going to spend about $8 a month for each domain. It gets kind of expensive when you own a lot, but their downtime's less than 99.9%, so they're up. Your website will be available more than 99.9% of the time, and that's what you want. Anything less you don't want. But again, I've had problems with HostGator as far as payments and getting refunds go, as well as a little bit of, I don't want to say glitchy, but there's been a few problems with the hosting that I've had. I know a few other people have had that problem, but I also know people who haven't. They are one of the top-rated hosting companies, as well as Bluehost, that are out there. Me personally, I do mine with Wealthy Affiliate because I can have as many domains as I want, and it's costing me $29 a month. Plus, I get all the training, the keyword tools, a bunch of stuff. And, I have 5 domains on there right now, and it's unlimited, cloud hosting with them, excellent uptime, and it's only $29 a month. So that's who I use. I would suggest going ahead and checking them out. Check out my review, or sign up for a free membership. You get 2 free websites, hosting for them, and a week of being able to do everything that premium is, be part of all the training, and you'll just have to check out my whole review. There's ample amounts of training. I would go ahead and check it out. Again, this is just how you purchase a domain name. Bye.